Pilots, arm your quads. As we go live on the tone in less than 5.
2 laps recorded for El Madero, El Kuru, and Drew Racer 32.
This one is done. It's a checkered flag at our IRC start-finish gate. Your 2021 Team Race Champions at I.O. Heart of America.
Hello everyone, welcome to World Cup number 1 I.O. You're watching the final heat of the preliminary rounds with your TQ, Leviathan, and 7 other quads. We're going green. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. And a great accomplishment for Sue, better known as Rue, first ever female pilot to qualify for the International Open World Cup final. T-Dog hitting Leviathan, and Leviathan, our TQ, is down. Ironman mode, disengaged. Chase the Ace is going a bunch tonight. That's a bad beat for your TQ. Well, heads up FPV and the entire team screaming right now. Heads up FPV's in the semifinal. SFPV in second. Formula in third. Shames in fourth. Into the semifinal we go. Neukel, Heads Up, and Hyper are now going to the consolation bracket. There's a bunch of guys going, uh-oh. Leviathan first, Hyper second, Neukel third, and by 0.3 of a second, Heads Up FPV fourth to defend his World Cup championship from a few years ago. Last chance qualifier, about to go green in less than 5. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. It's going to be close. Heads up Leviathan 1 and 2. Jake Hammer in the number 3 spot, and here comes Neukel, just 3.8 seconds back from our leader. He's hungry for the ace. Let's see what he gets done. Ready to wave a white flag as we push our entire field here onto lap number 3. Heads up FPV, your leader. Leviathan in second, 2.5 seconds back. Then Jake Hammer, a second back from him. And Neukel in the number 4 spot, 1.2 seconds back from him. It's on Heads Up FPV to win another World Cup championship. Is tonight the night? And there it is. Heads Up FPV is your World Cup champion.